Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 341 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Centered Moments, a short practice to help you return to your calm center anytime you feel pulled in different directions. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. Notice where your body feels tension or tightness. Allow your shoulders, jaw, and hands to relax. You do not need to do anything except be here with your breath. Now, say to yourself, I can find my center. I can return to calm. And I am grounded in this moment. Feel each inhale bringing focus and steadiness, and feel each exhale releasing distraction, worry, or pressure. Even a few moments of centering can restore balance within. When you're ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this sense of centered calm throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.